Assalamualaikum teman-teman, welcome to Easy English Channel, dimana kita bisa belajar bahasa Inggris dengan mudah dan menyenangkan. Yuk, tunggu apa lagi? Check it out.
Rice. Get me some rice, please. Rise. The singer rises and shines again. Sour. The fruit is too sour. Shower. Mom is taking shower. Sun. The sun shines too bright. Son. My son is reading the book. Send. I'm gonna send you money. Sand. The beach is beautiful with white sands. Cup. Can I have a cup of tea, please? Cop. The cops has arrested the demonstrators. Leader. I was the leader at that time. Leather. My shoes made by leather. Meat. Please put the meat at the freezer.
Meet.
Nice to meet you here.
Makasih teman-teman udah nonton sampai selesai. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan tekan lonceng notifikasinya ya, biar kalian gak ketinggalan dengan pelajaran berikutnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya guys, bye bye.